Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the Box Tricks. In this video, it's going to be short and sweet, to the point. I'm going to show you how you need to be logging in and out of the app every day, every time you are done using it. Also going to show you how to refresh your movies, series, live TV, and your channels, plus your TV guide. So what you're going to need to do first, as of if you want to log in and out, if you go up to the upper right hand corner and you select the two heads with the arrows on it, and go ahead and press your OK button on your remote. This is going to tell you that you have logged out. And if you press that again, it's going to tell you that you have logged in successfully. But if you want to exit the app, if you don't want to use it anymore, you need to go ahead and press the double heads, and you need to be logging out. From here, if you want to get out of the app, go ahead and hit your return arrow button on your remote. If you hit it 2 times, it's going to exit the app. Now, if you go ahead and select the TBT app again, it's going to ask you to choose your user to log in. So go ahead and choose your user to log in. It's going to tell you that you've successfully logged in. Next, you want to go and you want to refresh your TV guide, and you also want to refresh your movies, channels, and TV shows. So, I'm sorry, let me back out. All right, so go ahead and select Live TV. And from here, you want to go in the upper right-hand corner. You're going to see the magnifying glass, and you're going to see the 3 dots, the 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and select it. And you want to select refresh channels, movies, and series. Now, it's very important that you're logging in and out every day, every time you're done using the app, because once you log back in, any updates that have been pushed, you're going to receive those updates. All right, so once you have refreshed that, it's going to kick you back to the TBT home screen. Go ahead and select Live TV again. And we're just going to repeat the steps. We're going to go in the upper right-hand corner, select the 3 vertical dots, and select Refresh TV Guide. Now, sometimes, depending on the device, and also depending if you're connected by Wi-Fi, depending on your Wi-Fi connection, sometimes this can take several seconds, or it can take several minutes. We have seen that using a Fire device, especially a Fire Stick, that sometimes it can take a very long time to update and refresh. So if you have one of those devices, just bear with the app and it will eventually install and update and download. All right, so it is almost done. It's inserting the TV guide, and it will take you back to the TBT home screen. So that's basically it. That's how you log in and out. That's how you refresh your TV guide and your movies, TV shows, and series. So if y'all have found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also don't forget to drop us a comment below. Thanks for watching.